Configuring AWS Amplify storage is a straightforward process that enables you to manage user data and files securely and efficiently. To start, you need to install the AWS Amplify CLI and initialize a new Amplify project. First, install the AWS Amplify CLI by running the command to install the Amplify CLI package. Then initialize a new Amplify project by running the command to init a new Amplify project. Next, install the Amplify storage package by running the command to install the storage package. Then configure the storage by running the command to configure the storage with the bucket name and the region where your bucket is located. Now, you need to push the storage configuration to the cloud by running the command to push the configuration. Once the configuration is pushed, you can use the Amplify storage commands to put, get, remove and list files from your storage bucket. To put a file in the storage bucket, use the command to put a file. To get a file from the storage bucket, use the command to get a file. To remove a file from the storage bucket, use the command to remove a file. And to list all files in the storage bucket, use the command to list files. Best practices for configuring AWS Amplify storage include using IAM roles to manage access to your storage bucket, enabling versioning to keep track of changes to your files, and using lifecycle rules to manage the retention of your files. By following these steps and best practices, you can configure AWS Amplify storage to securely and efficiently manage user data and files in your application.